Ciao, buongiorno. Today we're on the vineyard planting carricante vines. I wanted to show you guys a little bit of that process. It's not overly complicated, but it's fun to see. Carricante is the primary grape for Etna Biancos. Ours is grafted onto American rootstock Paulson 1103. The rootstock is super drought resistant, which is crucial on Etna because we get all our water from late November until early May, and then it basically doesn't rain anymore, so the grapes have to survive the whole summer without any irrigation. To start, basically take the scion and the rootstock and you give it a little haircut. So we're just gonna go ahead and give the roots a little cut. These vines have been soaking overnight in basically a big pool of rooting hormone. So they're all soaked and ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and just keep chugging along, giving these guys haircuts and popping them back in the water. And then we'll go on and plant them. We've gone ahead and laid out all our trimmed vines in a grid pattern, 1 meter by 1 meter. We have some tight terraces up here, and again, we do everything by hand, so we need some space to come through and be able to work between the vines. In addition, our grapes are planted in an arborello style. It means we don't have any, you won't see any trellising. Each plant is trimmed basically to be a little bonsai tree almost, just with a few branches of grapes. It's traditionally how grapes were planted, and it's a little more difficult, but suitable if you have a landscape like this, which is rocky and you couldn't get a tractor through it anyway. So to put the grapes in the ground was really easy. You just set them in as you'd think, and as you're going in, I'm gonna tuck the roots, give them a bit of a twisting action as you're going down, and then fill in the hole. And that's about all there is to it. We will come through and replace all these little skewers that we just used to mark the spacing with bamboo stakes. And in 3 years, when the vines start producing, we'll come back through and replace those bamboo stakes with the big chestnut stakes that you see in the rest of our vineyard. So we're gonna go ahead and just keep on planting the rest of the grid.